Hi, how's it going? This is Jonathan Kinney with your ProAiir tip of the day. Today I have with me the amazing Lacey Evans. Lacey, I have a question for you. What is your absolute favorite holiday out of the year?
Halloween, of course.
Halloween? Did you say Halloween? Halloween? That's my favorite time of the year. So today we're going to show you how to do Sally from A Nightmare Before Christmas using some of the amazing ProAiir products. We're going to be using our ProAiir solids. We're going to use the black. We're also going to be using some of the ProAiir Hybrid, the Ice, and you can actually get both these from the ProAiir site. What we've done so far is we've added in some of the eye work. You can see all the way around, and what I've done is I've actually used some of the ProAiir Dips White, and I've used a filbert brush, added in, and I've used a couple squirts of my Prolong, just like so. Good and lathered up like there, and painted all the way around for the edge work. And next what we're going to actually do is use some of our ice and start adding in some of our skin tone. Now what's really great about the ice is the fact that Lacey has a couple tattoos right here, and as we all know, we all have tattoos now. So, the ProAiir makeup is fantastic for covering up tattoos. Okay, a couple passes, completely gone. Okay, you don't want to lay it on very heavy. You don't want to lay thick coats because then when you start doing that you run into issues. It's always thin coats, thin passes. Some other colors and some of her skin tones are done. We've got a little bit of the ProAiir orange for some of her actual shirts. We've added a little bit of the ProAiir green for the outside, and we've actually added some of the atomic hybrid uranium. What we're going to do now is we're going to add actually some of the stitching. And we're going to use again some of the black ProAiir solids for some of the stitch work. The character's lips are actually red, so we're going to be using some of the ProAiir red for her lip work. And the stitching, we're going to do some of the ProAiir white. And all we're going to do is spray a little bit with our squirt bottle. I'm going to really work it around in there really, really, really good, where it loads your brush. This right here is a Low Cornell number 4 round brush. Alright, so we're a little bit farther along, we're getting close to being done. What we've done is we've used our ProAiir solid white, and we've actually added in some of the stitching. Spritzed it just a little bit. Got a good consistency going, and then slowly started adding this. So, as you can see, if you look, our line work we've got our stitching. When she closes her eyes, we have our dots, and I don't know about you, but when it comes to the eyes, I actually like to place them a little bit higher, so when she opens, you don't get the two black dots when they open. See, this way that it doesn't go down as much. So yeah, so actually I think with her hair down, we're almost done, and I've gone back, we've added with some of the red as well, some of the line work in here, all the way around here, and also some of the red line work here. And we've actually added some red with her lips too. So there we have it. Sally, A Nightmare Before Christmas. My name is Jonathan Kinney. This is Lacey Evans with your ProAiir Halloween tip of the day.